Hi, I'm Noelle, and here's a quick tutorial of Made for Now, a super easy and fun dance that everyone can do, from children, teens to adults, the whole family. So everyone get up and let's learn this fun, cool movement. All right, so we're going to start with the first thing. We're going to do 4 slides back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to skip 4 down back to where you started. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Got that part? Good. So after that, we're going to open to the side, to the right, and then to the left. So we're going to open our legs. We're going to open, knees bent, elbows open, kind of like you're in the gym. You're doing a workout press, an arm press. So open together in, open together in. Okay, so that's after the 4 skips. You skip down 1, 2, 3, 4. Open together in, open together in. And when you get really comfortable, you can add a little groove to it, a little bounce. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? So after that, we're going to do a kick open step. I'm going to turn around so you can really see how it is. So this is my right leg. I'm going to kick, and I'm going to bring this leg down, kick and open. So kick, open, step, right? Then I'm going to reverse it to the other side. I'm going to kick my left leg, kick, open, step. Then kick, open, step, and kick, open, step. 4 of them. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, open, step, kick, open, step, kick, open, step, kick, open, step. Got it? Try it with me. I'm going to face you. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, open, step, kick, open, step, kick, open, step, kick, open, step. Good. All right. Next, we're going to do a knee bounce. So we're going to do a single, a few single, 1 double, and that'll all make sense once I do it. So this is our knee bounce. You're going to bring your knee up to your chest as much as you can. Don't kick yourself in the knee, but if you're that flexible, good for you. So when you kick your knee up, you're going to punch your fist down. So this is the movement. Turn to the side, turn to the back so you can see what it looks like. So you're going to do 2 single, 1, 2, double, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So single, single, double, single, 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 open on 8. Okay? One more time. Turn around. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, double, 1, 1, 1, open 8. Yes? All right, let's try that all with music. But first, before we put on music, let's do it just the counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick, open step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. With music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How was that? Good? All right, let's move on. So you're going to tap forward. You're going to tap your foot forward. And you're going to kind of like pop your chest. And as you're popping your chest, your arms are going to go behind you. Not all the way behind you, but follow your chest. So 2, 3, 4. Okay? So it's just out and in, out and in, out and in, out and in. Okay? 4 of those. That's after our knee bounce. So let's try it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the same thing that we did, the same rhythm that we did with the knee bounce. So it's single, single, double, single, 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 up on 8. Okay? Let's try it with this into the bounce. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat it. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and single, single, double, single, 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 up on 8. Okay? After that, we're going to do a little cool groove to the side. We're just going to tap our foot to the going to the right. I'll turn around and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to kick it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to step out, push out and slide to the back. Push out, slide to the back. Open, cross, turn. Yes? Let's try that. Here we go from this side tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you learned it. How amazing are you? You learned the whole thing, and then we repeat it. All right, so let's try that out with music, and let's groove it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run down, open, kick, open, and step. Knee bounce. 1, 2, double, single, 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 open. 1, 2, 3, 4, and